Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular web-based client management platform. I've been using HoneyBook for a while now, and I found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my clients and projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HoneyBook to your website. I'll also cover some of the benefits of using HoneyBook, as well as some of the things you need to consider before adding it to your site. So, let's get started. What is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is a web-based client management platform that helps you manage your clients and projects. It provides a variety of features, including proposals. You can create professional proposals that include your services, pricing, and terms and conditions. Contracts. You can create contracts that your clients can sign electronically. Invoices. You can create invoices and send them to your clients. Payments. You can collect payments from your clients online. Tasks. You can create tasks and assign them to yourself or your team members. Calendar. You can keep track of your clients' deadlines and appointments. Files. You can store and share files with your clients. Lead management. You can track your leads and convert them into clients. Benefits of using HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to using HoneyBook, including saves you time. HoneyBook can help you save time by automating many of the tasks involved in managing your clients and projects. Makes you look more professional. HoneyBook provides you with professional templates and tools that can help you create a more professional image for your business. Helps you get paid faster. HoneyBook makes it easy to collect payments from your clients online. Improves your communication with clients. HoneyBook provides you with a variety of tools that can help you communicate more effectively with your clients. Integrates with other tools. HoneyBook integrates with a number of other popular tools, such as QuickBooks, Zapier, and MailChimp. How to add HoneyBook to your website. Adding HoneyBook to your website is easy. Here are the steps. Sign up for a HoneyBook account. Go to the Settings page and click on the Website and Apps tab. Click on the Add Website button. Enter your website's URL. Click on the Save button. Once you've added HoneyBook to your website, you can start using it to manage your clients and projects. Things to consider before adding HoneyBook to your website. Before you add HoneyBook to your website, there are a few things you need to consider. Cost. HoneyBook offers a variety of pricing plans. The cost of your plan will depend on the number of clients you have and the features you need. Features. HoneyBook offers a wide range of features. Make sure that the features you need are available in the plan you choose. Integration. HoneyBook integrates with a number of other tools. Make sure that the tools you use are compatible with HoneyBook. Support. HoneyBook offers excellent customer support. Make sure that you're comfortable with their level of support before you sign up for a plan. HoneyBook is a great tool for managing your clients and projects. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. If you're looking for a way to improve your client management process, I highly recommend giving HoneyBook a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.